Good morning, Year 12. I'm sure you heard the news the other day just about the exams being cancelled. Um, Over in England, it was said this morning that they're still going to have their grades based on assessments that will be done in school. I don't know what's going to happen in Northern Ireland, but I would imagine that you're still going to have to do some form of testing throughout the year. So for that reason and that reason alone, we're going to continue. We're going to have to continue with the course. Okay. Now that worksheet that I'd given you the other day, a lot of people were saying that we're a wee bit confused with transformations in general. So I'm just going to do a wee video over the next few days on each of them. Okay, and then I'll put a wee worksheet up on them as well. So today we're going for translations. A translation is whenever we move a shape by using a vector. Okay, now the vector is this little thing here at the bottom. Okay, so the 5 minus 6. So all we're going to do is we're going to take any corner. So I'm going to go for this corner here, and I'm going to move it across 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to move it down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is where my shape is going to end up being started, okay? So I'm just going to mark that there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right there, okay? Now, you can do it for each corner of the shape if you want, but I'm just going to say that from here, I would go up 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm just going to do the same thing. Go up 4 and then mark another wee X, okay? From this corner which I started up, I would go up 2 and across 2. So I'm just going to do that from this corner again, okay? So I'm going to go up 2 and across 2. And there's my X, and then I'm just going to draw the shape. And that's it, translated by 5 minus 6. Now, it's not very neat because I'm using my finger on an iPad. Next one, translate shape A by 7, 5. Again, that just means I'm going to pick any corner. So I'm going to pick the bottom right. I'm going to go across 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm just going to mark a wee X there, okay? So that's 2, 3. Now, because I used the bottom right-hand corner, I know that that's where my shape starts from. So I can see that from there I go up 1, I go across 2, and there's my rectangle. Okay? Lots of these are very similar. If we remember, the top one is going left and right, and the bottom one is going up and down. If it's positive, it means it's going either to the right or up, and if it's negative, it's either going to the left or down. The other type of question you may be asked is to describe the vector, which takes shape A onto shape B. So I'm going to go from these points. So if I were to go from, if I don't like the points because they're not actually on a line, I'm going to go from the top right hand corner, okay? So I would go left 1. That means in the vector I would write minus 1 at the top. And then once I've gone left 1, I would go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means that I put a 5 at the bottom. So my vector is minus 1, 5. The next question, write down the translation that would take A onto B. So I'll just do the same thing. So I'm going to go from this bottom right hand corner. So I would go 1, 2, 3 to the right, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. So that just means that it is 3, 5. Okay, the next question says that we take B to C. So there's B and there's C. So I'm going to pick a different one this time. I'm going to pick the top left. So I go left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I go down 1. So that gives me a vector of minus 5, minus 1, because it's left and down. Okay, guys, if you can just have a go at the worksheet, and it'll just be a coordinate maths worksheet. If you can just have a go at it and upload a picture of your work marked as well. Okay, thank you very much.